HR is company's advocate. So I guess it's pretty much right. HR जो है वो advocate की तरह ही काम करते हैं. कुछ भी कंपनी में गलत हो रहा है किसी एम्प्लॉय के साथ तो So I believe HR is company's advocate indeed, and because HR, like when you join a company, the HR is the one who is responsible for all the paperwork and onboarding process and like allotting of any some sort of resources is HR's task. So I believe this is a true statement.
Gen Z do not like management. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि माइक्रो मैनेजमेंट पसंद नहीं होता. मैनेजमेंट के बिना तो चीजें नहीं चलेंगी. तो आई डोंट एग्री विद इट. फिर मैं खुद भी जेन जी हूँ तो ऐसा तो नहीं है. मतलब आई वांट टू स्पेसिफाई.
HR never replies to emails. Like in our company, it's a pleasure to have such HRs who consistently as well as all the time they reply to our emails. So thank you, ma'am, for being such a nice HR and HR team. Yeah, of course. So yeah, I think HR replies to email. I disagree. They never replies.
Gen Z employees are lazy. Like, I'm not convinced with this point because Gen Z is quite active. Like, the thinking of Gen Z, like the upcoming Gen Z, is quite engaging, and like they have like quite good ideas and thoughts in their mind. So I'm not agree with this point.
QA sometimes struggles to communicate effectively with developers. नहीं लगता. मेरे अकॉर्डिंग तो ऐसा नहीं है. करते हैं. सनी ने ज्यादा काम किया है ऐसे. हमारे में भी टेस्टिंग वाला पार्ट हुआ नहीं है. स्टार्ट होगा तो तब पता लगेगा. But I disagree with this point.
Gen Z employees are always late. Even I don't have any idea about Gen Z employees are always late because हमारे यहाँ पे टाइमिंग होती है. पंक्चुअलिटी देखी है मैंने एम्प्लॉयज़ के अंदर जो जेन ज़ी एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं, और वो टाइम पे हमेशा ऑफिस आते हैं मैक्सिमम जितना मैंने देखा है. अभी यहाँ पे मुझे नहीं आइडिया है क्योंकि मैं वर्क फ्रॉम होम में हूँ. बट या जो प्रायर एक्सपीरियंस है उससे मैं बता सकती हूँ कि जो जेन ज़ी हैं यहाँ पे, तो वो लोग हमेशा टाइम से आते थे ऑफिस, क्योंकि उसके आने के बाद हाफ आवर कटता था और पैसे कट जाते थे इस वजह से. तो वो लेट इसलिए नहीं होते थे.
HR don't keep their promises. I'm not agree with this point because in our company HRs mostly अपने promises निभा देते हैं, like scheduling meetings, और कोई हम बातों से कंसर्न करते हैं तो वो अब अथॉरिटीज को जल्दी बता देती हैं, टाइम पे रिप्लाईज मिल जाते हैं.
Gen Z do not want to socialize. I disagree with this point because I think that हम socially वो फन फ्राइडे एक्टिविटीज़ कराते हैं कि सब चीज़ हो, और लिंक्डइन पे पोस्ट वगैरह भी तो सारे मतलब पोस्टिंग वगैरह, और आजकल के जो जेन ज़ी है वो ज़्यादा ही सोशली है. तो ये पॉइंट तो बिल्कुल डिसएग्री है कि वो सोशलाइज नहीं है करके.
HR scares you with Fun Friday announcements. Fun Friday सही होता है तो scares नहीं है ये. अच्छा है.
Gen Z employees are afraid of giving tech talk sessions. According to me, it's not quite that much right, as our companies most of times our new trainee which was converted into employment has currently frequently gives tech talks, and Gen Z's generation likes that to update with the technologies which is currently flowing in the world. So I am not that much quite updated. If someone afraid from interaction, that's it. That's a different point.
So here we come to an end of this amazing activity. This activity, it demonstrates us the pillars of our company, like the HR, the developers, the Gen Zs who are now becoming developers in a respective company. So with this activity, we are able to find out their bond, how do they feel about each other, so that they can find a synergy in their work and can lead to a better and a prosperous workspace.